Meanwhile, Toyota Motor Philippines Corporation recently inaugurated its 1 megawatt solar array at its manufacturing assembly plant in Santa Rosa City.
We established this solar panel to save the energy. So, more directly speaking, we can save the electricity cost. We can reduce the CO2 level, which can contribute to the global warming situations.
According to Toyota, the 1 megawatt solar array is one of their major initiatives to minimize its carbon footprint and help mitigate the effects of climate change, based on the global Toyota Environmental Challenge 2050.
This is geared towards supporting the global direction of Toyota, which is the Toyota Environmental Challenge of year 2050, wherein for manufacturing, we have to meet a plant zero carbon dioxide. That means to say, we produce cars, but we do not contribute to the carbon dioxide emission in the environment. And this is the first initial step, but a significant one, leading towards the year 2050.
Toyota's 1 megawatt solar array project is among the first batch of projects that qualifies after the Philippine Government signed a Joint Crediting Mechanism or JCM partnership with the Japanese government last year.
So the special features of this solar system is we can produce a 1 megawatt or a 90% of 1 megawatt is around 90 kilowatt power. So this will save us a certain amount of money. For 1 year, we can save around 10 million. The most very important is we can reduce the CO2 about 735 tons per year.